Hello and welcome to LearnCache video tutorials. LearnCache offers online career management courses using the course management system called Moodle. In this video we're going to work through a lesson in the LearnCache resume writing course. You'll notice that we've already logged in as Carol, and we're going to use the scroll bar to go down the page because the lesson we're going to work through is in section 7. Section 7 is called Content and Format, and to open any section you just need to click on the title. You will need to scroll down so that you can see all of the different tasks in section 7. So you always know where you are by the title here. We're going to complete the Formats Tips lesson, and you'll see that there are 3 different lessons in this particular section, but we're going to click on this one to start, and that opens up the lesson. So you will see an icon on the first page just to let you know that you're on the first page of the lesson, and if you scroll down it'll give you some information about what's covered in the lesson. You can move through the lesson by clicking the buttons at the bottom. So you just read through the page, click the button, and move forward. Eventually you're going to get to a question though. There are usually a number of questions in each lesson, and it gives you a chance to answer the question, click submit, and get some more information about the question and find out if you've answered it correctly. You can click continue, and that takes you on through the lesson. I'm just going to scroll down here so you can see all of the table of contents. So right now the fonts page is open, and it's bold to let you know that you're on that page. Now you can go down to any page. We're going to open up the font examples page. When we open up this page, we'll notice that there's some information, but there's also another link, and the link will open a PDF. So by clicking on the link, it opens up a PDF, and it opens in a new tab. So you'll notice now that once you have opened a PDF, you have 2 tabs open in your browser. So you can move back and forth between the tabs just by clicking. When you have a PDF open, you have a number of options. You can just read through the PDF and close it. You can leave it open. You can save it here by clicking the save icon, and you can print the PDF. So you have a number of choices. So we're going to just leave that PDF open and go back to the lesson. So once you're back in the lesson, you can continue working through answering questions. You'll notice that in the table of contents, just the pages are listed, not the actual questions. So to get a grade at the end of the lesson, you do have to work through the entire lesson. We're just going to click on the last page, Next Steps. And there's always some information about your next steps at the end of a lesson, and there's also a place where you can click to get your score. Once you've finished moving through the lesson, you have a couple of choices. You can scroll down here, and you can use the navigation menu to return to Content and Format, section 7. But what we're going to do is go back to the top and use the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are listed across the top, so you know you're in the Format Tips lesson in the Content and Format section. So to click on Content and Format takes us back to the Content and Format list of all the different tasks in that section. What we're also going to do now is we're going to click the completion tracking checkbox, and that just helps us remember that we've actually completed the Format Tips lesson, so when we return to section 7 we know that it's already been done. When you're all set, you can return to the main course page, you can return to your list of courses, or you can just click in the breadcrumbs to just return to the course outline page. So you should be all set now to complete a lesson. Best of luck in your course.